Hold on. I gotta restart.
Okay, I could do it like this, but it's like I can't see the chat unless I look to the side. Fuck it. Let's see. Okay. All right, we gotta delete some of this. This shit looks. It's starting to look sloppy. There's too much going on. So as you can see, like I said, every time I come over here, we could just throw a price right here. Look what happens. It's easy. Like I said, look what happens. Every time it comes above here, is at least going to here every time. That's why I keep telling people. Look what it did. It was in here, came down. I entered from here, bro. It barely hit my TP and then went all the way back down. I was dead, bro. I was heated, bro. I was heated. Ugh. Bro, I was heated, bro. I was heated when I woke up in the morning because I'm like, bro, this would have hit cheap because I know GJ lost, so this GJ one lost. Uh, I lost this one. Damn, I've been losing a lot of GJ shit. I lost this one and this one. Then I just didn't. GJ just might be like one of them. All right, GJ. GJ looks smooth. That's why I would have entered right here once it broke out. I would have went break even once it went to like right here. Once it started doing this, or they closed it at break even, never would have hit break even. And then once it break out, so yeah, if I entered that, I'm mad I didn't enter this one though. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh man, my knees. My knees. Ooh, look, so GJ, you probably could have closed out at break even. That's what I would have did once it went up here. Close it out, break even. And it still never hit break even. And then just let it rock, to be honest. Try to enter this last night. Woke up in the morning with an L. Nah. Nah, it's kind of did me dirty. It's like that joint away. So I'm just mad, bro. I'm so upset, bro. I'm so upset with this trade. Cause it hit TP and never registered, bro. I was upset. And that's what I be hating it because this what it made me do. And I'm gonna be real. Once it hit here and it went back down, it made me change my buys for this whole trade today. Cause once it went here and it came back down, and my TP was like right here. My TP was like a little bit above here too, bro. And it went back down. So once it came to like right back above here, like once it started going down, like right here, I said, bro, I'm gonna just take profits. And then look what it just smacked my TP. and it smacked my TP. So I was like, damn. It's like the market can trick you, and I'm being realistic. That's how the market tricked me because I'm like, it didn't happen one time, so I'm thinking it's gonna happen again. But you just have to know what's statistically best. You know, my fucking knee hurt, bro. Mhm. Let me see. You see how? Oh, this is just the total. This what it came down. Look, it came right back up. This is just another entry. So you entry from here, and then you take your TP to here. Entry from here, take TP from here. Entry from here. You see how many times you can enter. Enter break, comes back here, enter. It's just so easy. Then I'm in this Nas joint right here, and this still to this day. I'm still in this one right now as we speak since Friday. Like, I don't even know. Like this shit just going up. Like it ain't got no. I could come somewhere right here to respect this. You could do something like um really right here. You want to make like TP like right here. In all honesty, because you don't. All right, so like higher high, lower low, higher high, the higher high. Made a high, broke the low. So let's go to 5 minutes. So if we go to 5 minutes, this is the low high, low, high, low. It broke this low. If you want to call this a low, it broke here. And you could say it's in such a strong uptrend. You can just take this and go like this. You can do something like this. This would be a nice one right here. This would be a nice little setup right here. Yeah, at least come here every time. Like, look, come here, comes up, comes here, comes down, comes here around here at this level every time. So you want not the highest, but at least medium, like right here. That's a good one right there. And then you can see it as it broke lows. I don't know which one you want to call low. You could be like up, breaks, this, and you probably would want it to break here. In all honesty. So we're gonna delete this. Like you can't even look at high time frame when you trade in gold right now. It's just no point. Because if you look at the higher time frame, there's no retracements going on. There's no high. It just keep going up. Last place it was here. If you want to wait here, but you see how it's just raising up. Hey man, appreciate it. I appreciate it, my boy, man. Thanks for the support. But look, for gold, if anything, because gold isn't doing the killing, you know. I caught some stuff for gold, and then I just happened not to catch it today. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it. Like gold today was bad today. I want to enter this one right here, so we just gonna wait for this to happen. There's a nice one right here, a nice 2R ratio, and then for 30, I caught this today. Um, I'm kind of upset at 30 because I could have got a little more. I could have got a little more. Like once it went back down to here, I already know that hop in this joint with bam, it hit and it hit quick too. This joint hit in like an hour. Boom. Nah, the crazy thing is this what happened. This one over my TP. My TP was like right here. It never hit. So once it came back like half, I'm like, I'm gonna tell the honest truth. The only way I exit, because this what happened to me the other day. I've been winning. So look, so on Nas, I'm in this right now. Like I've been in this trade since Friday. So I'm in this one right now since Friday, and I entered another one. I entered this. Let's move this over. So I entered this one yesterday, and I entered this one yesterday. And my TP, this was my honest TP when I fell asleep. I said I'm gonna make this my TP when I fall asleep. I really made this my TP when I fell asleep. Like I made this my TP when I fell asleep, but like this right here, but it never hit. So I just took out like when it went like past here. Like once it passed this right here, I just took out, got me a little something, something. I was in something. I think I was in like a 5R low key. It was up pretty much a thing. But it did hit stop loss, but I'm glad I did get out there. My TP was there. It never hit TP. And yeah. One thing I've been losing on is GJ. I kind of want to stay away from GJ real quick a little bit. Like GJ, like look at it. Like I just lost yesterday. I entered this yesterday. I lost off this one, entered this the other day. Got break even off this one. I think I went break even on this one too. Well, I probably lost off this one. I won this one, lost. So lost this one, break even this one, lost this one, never entered this one. Yeah. And then Nas, see, like I said, Nas. So right now we could wait for gold. Yeah, gold. I could get something like right here. Enter. I want it to come right here, or if it breaks here, you could get it. Um, it's not I like previous price. So previous it broke out here. Even so, when it comes to the next higher high, um, or you could wait. This is the true definition of a break. If it break here, then come up. That's another entry. So this is I ain't gonna lie. This ain't the best entry, but if it come up here and it doesn't break here, that's a better entry. Like if it come up here, don't break highs and come back below here. There's so much entries. There's so much entries. Let's see. What was I gonna do? It was a trading thing. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Let's see. What's good? What's good, my boy? And I already. And hold up. Let me see. Hold up. Yeah, few. Hold on. What the hell? Son. All right. All right. So boom. So gold. It's crazy. So gold. I'm trying to enter this right now. I really like this entry a little better if it come up here because not too much really because it is selling. I don't, bro. Gold is to a point where it's like just try to catch the uptrend. Like if it breaks uptrend, just try to catch it. It ain't even like I don't. You can't even look at high time frames on gold. Like what the hell you looking at? You're not really. If you want to day trade, if you want to enter gold for a quick trade, just enter that. Enter that off the. I was really just looking at 5 minutes. Yeah, no time high time frame needed, man. Man, you should have seen what happened to me today. Yeah, I was going to enter. I'm trying to enter this right. If it pull back right here, I'm gonna enter. Or if it do something right here, I'm gonna enter. I ain't make nothing on gold. I actually lost on gold because I'm like, all right, it's gonna go crazy. I lost this jump. I ain't even mad that I lost gold because I actually won what? How much percent I won today? I think I made. Oh, let's see. Fuck. Let's see. I'm out. Check. Hold up. How much percent did I win today? I think I won 0.5 or one. I'm still, bro. I'm still in this trick. Hold up. How much I won today? What's this today? Okay, I'm up 1%. I made 1%. So, bro, look what happened today. Bro. Nas did me dirty. I entered GJ. I lost GJ yesterday. I lost gold today and GJ. I made that all back off US30 and then some off Nas. So GJ fucked me over. I was in this little junk right here. But I got it closed out at break even, so I'm good. Or GJ. Nas. Look, bro, I was in Nas yesterday. My TP was here. You know, I fell asleep on that Nas. I'm in two Nas. I'm still in this one right here. That's crazy. I'm still in this one since Friday. I'm just holding this bitch. I don't care. I already took my profits off this one. I just think it's gonna fly. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I ain't even worried about taking no trades. I ain't learned about taking no trades because I'm in this joint right here. This one right here. I don't even care if it go back to break even. I don't think it is, but I got it really. I really got it going like all the way up, like even like all the way up, low key. So I'm in this joint right here. You know the news tomorrow, so it's either going to hit thing or I'm gonna just complete my challenge. That's it. I don't really care about entering too much or nothing. But look what happened to me yesterday, bro. This what happened to me yesterday. You know, I entered this joint yesterday. Another Nas trade. This trade was this not even a 2-to-1. I entered like I really entered that shit was like it was like a 3 low key. I don't know why I'm saying 2. I entered this joint. Bro, I woke up this morning. That joint hit the TP, and then that joint went. I got out. I didn't get out at break even. I got out like right here. I'm like, if it go below here, right here, I said I'm gonna just get out. Once it did this, like right here, I got out. Like once, yeah, I got out like right here. I said, bro, if it go below here, I'm getting out. Nah, the thing is, bro, that joint barely hit TP. That was the problem. This shit barely hit. I was like, I'm gonna let this one rock, but this one was worth more money. I was probably gonna get like probably 1% out of this. And then look, well, I hit on 30 today too. Third, but look, 30 got me right. But I'm gonna tell you what I did wrong, man. You might be upset. So I took partials right here. My first term, I took partials. I entered right here, like entered like right here, and then I took partials like I took partials right here, and then my real TP was like right here. So I'm already 30 hit for me. Nah, look, but check this out. I'm already thinking I just fucked up. Yeah, I got the partials. So I got like 200, probably like a 0.5% on the account off the partials. So I take partials like right here. My real TP was like right here. You know what I just told you of Nas? Nas barely with my TP. So I'm thinking the same thing with fucking 30. So I'm like, bro, once this shit started going down and it came back up to like where I took partials at, I just took the whole thing and then look what happened. It just smacked TP. So I could have been up a little more, but I still made a whole percent off this trade. So I ain't tripping. I ain't gonna lie to you, right? I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. It's it's low key a good entry right now. Like I'll probably enter like right here. Like if it go below here, nah, I'm not. I want to enter, but probably something like this. Yeah, I enter something like this. Yeah, that's all that mattered for bro. That jump was about to hit TP. I'm rubbing my hands, Birdman edition. Shit started going down. I said, bro, I'm gonna wait till it come back up. Cause it's either gonna come back up and keep going. But once it hit that break even spot where I took out at, I said, bro, let me just get my 1%. That lift. All right, I'm gonna go look at that jump. But yeah, I got that. This is probably the best entry you could do, but I want to do this entry right now. Probably. If it go below here though, I probably maybe even here, like right here, because it comes here. Nah, this is the lowest. Like I'm trying to even see. You might even get a better entry somewhere, right? You might could even enter here. This is even a better entry. Uh yeah, that's just way better right here. 4K. Let me see. Yeah, I'll go light. The only way I really don't want to enter this because it's news tomorrow and news either going wick it out or just and then go up or just go up. I don't think it's gonna go down. If it go down, fuck it, it just go down. But in my head, I'm just thinking a wick out and then go up or just a go up. Let me see. Like go. I'm looking at 2 points of interest. I got this point of interest. I'm gonna see what price go up. Let it come back down. Hopefully it doesn't break here. I don't want price to break here before it breaks this. Like if it break here, come back down. I'm gonna enter somewhere around here again and then just hold to here. So like my entries will probably be like right here. I don't know where my stop loss at. I gotta wait till the market do what it do. Or I like this entry better low key. I ain't gonna lie. I like this way better because I feel like this shit can still, drop. I ain't gonna lie. Major news next week. This week, it might consolidate a little. Yeah, like if gold drop, it just drop. Or consolidate, it's consolidate. Like gold, it's a little. Yeah, it might just do that little consolidation, then keep going up. I really do believe. Like it might just range. I do with the range though. Like it might just range. Low key, I kind of want gold to come back down a little, like come back down a little bit to like right here, and then come back up. Nah, the whole market. Um, I don't. I ain't gonna lie. I got this shit breaking. Like it's too hard to consolidate. Like me, I think it's gonna break first. I think this joint just gonna break because news almost at all. Well, it's already at all time highs, low key. Or it can't. It can't fucking drop. But in my head, I'm just like, if it drop, it won't matter to me. It won't matter. But hopefully, I just hope it break. Only way I hope it break because I'm in this one. I'm in this. So if it break up, I'm gonna just be good. Yeah, if it drop, I'm gonna just I don't know. I'm gonna wait till if it like drop hard Wednesday. You know what I think it might do? If I don't know, I'm gonna just wait for the market. I'm not even gonna predict it. If it drop, it might just gonna come back up the next day. That's what I think. But I'm not gonna predict the market. I'm gonna just ride this joint out. Hold this till I'll just pass. Shit. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just holding this on pass. I already took I took partials off this. I'm not worried about this shit no more. I'm not worried about this no more. Now, if it come back to break even, I took partials. That's why I fought with you when it said go to partials because it's like once you take partials, you really don't care how long you hold the trade. Like I've been in this joint since Friday. I don't care how long I hold this trade. I hold this shit for another week. As long as I'm passing, it don't hit break even. and which I got stop loss at break even, I'm good. Yeah, facts, bro. I took the partials like right here. Like right here, I took partials. I really could have waited till like right here to take partials. I'm not in front, but you know, when you see that money stacking so much, it's like, fuck, I gotta take that. So I took partials down here. I took the partials like because it rallied up. Like once this rallied up, I took partials right here. Granted, I should have took it here because I'm like, if price come here, it's gonna come here, and which it does. It seems like I'm always right. Like gold, I said if price comes here, if it go past this yellow, it's gonna come here. Shit, what it do? Uh, shit. Nas. If price comes here, what it did? Did I? Yeah, I entered this. The price came here. Entered this yesterday. Barely with my TP, but I made money off this. GJ fucked me over. That's all I'm gonna say. GJ kind of nasty right now because look how much break evens. This is the only one I won so far. Like break even, win, break even. I think I lost. No, break even. I lost this one. So I lost two in a row, and then might go break even on this one because GJ nasty. I might just stop trading this shit for a minute. The only thing about GJ, I feel like I'm gonna miss the opportunity because it's gonna bust. GJ gonna bust out the jump. It's either gonna bust hard down or hard up. And I swear to God, it's gonna bust hard up. Look at this momentum. Yeah, you take them partials, bro. GJ is gonna bust hard. That's what I'm thinking. Like, look where it's at, bro. Like GJ, that's why I keep entering this shit. Like low-key, this is not even my like. I'm not trying to be on no. I want to pass the challenge first before GJ buzz, bro. Because I'm just gonna enter GJ. Because look, bro, this is what I'm thinking. I'm not even capping. I want to pass so bad. I hope GJ can consolidate, and I hope fucking things so I can just pass the challenge. Soon as I pass the challenge, I'm entering GJ off odds. Because look, this is what I think is gonna happen with GJ. Look where it's at. Boom, boom, boom. It wants to break, and then when it breaks, that shit is gonna fly. Like, look at you know, bro. This is from November, December. Like this shit loading up. Like you know how gold did. Like gold. Look at gold. Gold was fucking loading up since April. Like boom, it's not breaking. Boom, it's not breaking. Boom, and this is daily. So once this shit broke, I knew this shit was gonna happen. I'm like, if it break, it's gonna fly. So, and then look at GJ. Boom, boom, boom. Didn't want to come back down. It's not breaking. It's still in the uptrend. Look, still in up. It's not breaking no lows. Boom, 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 boom. And it's just gonna fly out the fucking casket. So that's why I keep buying. That's why low-key I keep buying GJ. Like, in all honesty, none of these shits is my real TP. This is my partials. I'm not capping. But if I'm like going to sleep, I will make it my TP. Like I made this my TP because I'm going to sleep. Like if I'm up, I'm gonna make it my alert, take partials and let it rock. Like I don't take partials. Like I was up so hard on this joint, and I don't even take partials. I let it come back down. I just let it came back down. Break even. Came up, break even. Came because I know once this shit breaks, this shit is going like once this joint break, it's going up to here. I'm not even capping. It's gonna go here. I don't know when, but it's going to hit. It's like guaranteed to hit here. It's guaranteed to hit there. It's guaranteed to hit here, bro. It already hit here, but like the market just repeat itself. Once it came, like I could just draw a big ass box. Once any price above here usually goes here. Once this shit comes above here, it's going to here. That's why I wanna. This is what I'm gonna do if I pass my challenge. I'm gonna wait. Soon as this shit break, like if I pass my challenge today, I would have made this, took partials, and just hold the bitch. I would have just held that. I'd have been like, all right, I got a little $400, $500, 1% account. That's all I want, anyways. Give me $500 and my money back. Boom, get like $800 payout, 700, and then just let this shit fly. Like I probably hold this for like 30 days on some real shit. Yeah, GJ flying. GJ looks so good right now. It's just fucking consolidating like a bitch. Like this shit is just consolidating. But I know it's going. That's why I keep buying this joint. It's not making lows low key. Let's see. Let's delete this. It's not really making no lows. It's just either ranging, not making lows. You see how it's not making real lows. Like it wants to pop. Like GJ is gonna pop very soon. I hope it don't pop tomorrow. I want GJ to consolidate till next week or till I just pass the challenge. Because at the end of because when I pass the challenge, US30 either gonna go at all-time highs or it's gonna drop. If it dropped, that's even better. But let me win that challenge first. Nas gonna be at all-time highs. Gold is already at all-time highs. That's why I low-key want to get on the stock method because the stocks, I could it's like when you be naming stocks, I'd be like, let me just look at them. Like what you named earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna just win a challenge. I should have traded my real account today. I was just on a move so much. I ain't trading my real account. I was going into. That's crazy. I was going to enter this on my real account and I lost. I said, let me just do this on a prop firm. I lost this bitch. I would have been heated. I might enter this one on my real one. Nah, I'm gonna enter this one. I'm gonna enter this one on my prop. Nah, I ain't gonna enter this one because I'm gonna just wait for Nas. Facts. It's whole. And then Forex, that shit is gonna fucking pay if you hold that bitch. Like, let me see. What the hell was I looking? Oh yeah, I was gonna look at stocks. Like, what stock you said? You said Lyft? What the hell is Lyft? Okay. What is Lyft? Okay. Right. Okay. It's kind of been on a. All right, let's see. How would I do this? I don't like how this look low key. I don't. I ain't gonna lie. Boom. Maybe an entry from it. Maybe. At most, a knock. If it came down and came up, I probably would have entered like right here. Would have entered right here. Stop loss probably like right here. Oh no. I'll take it back. You could have. Hell yeah, this was a good entry. Never mind. Yeah, I'm a over leverage. I ain't over leveraged in a minute, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I trade the same way every fucking time now. It's like I should over leverage on A plus setups though. Like I know what an A plus setup is like. you know you're not gonna be in a red. Like what's an A plus setup? Like I'm trying to. I don't want to say this is an A plus. Well, it kind of is an A plus. This is kind of an A plus setup right here. I ain't gonna say this one too much. Like if it came down a little bit more and then came back up, I would say this is an A plus. This is like a B. This was an A plus setup. I knew this shit. I'm like, I won't even give this one an A plus setup. Low key. Um, yeah. Let's see. Gold. No, what gold did was an A plus setup. Let me delete this because I'm not going into this shit. But yeah, that's all I got for today. I'll probably get off this jump. Well, yeah, that's all I got for today, man. If you in this jump, I probably got to close out that break even. I want some money, a little money, 1% today. That shit. Yeah, I'm a cop that, man. I'm gonna cop that. I'm gonna look at some gameplay. I'm gonna look at because I remember I played Borderlands 3s. I maxed out on that shit. I bought the DLC and all. Borderlands 2, I remember that. I was fucking young. I think I was in high school when I was playing Borderlands 2. I was young as hell. Borderlands 3, that shit was hard. And Borderlands do take a long time to come out now that I think about it. Like when Borderlands 2 came out. Let me see. When the hell Borderlands 2 came out? Google. Let me see. When Borderlands 2. Now I know it come out this weekend though. I just want to know when fucking Borderlands 2, because that shit was a long time ago. Borderlands 2 release date. Damn! 2012? Yeah, I knew I was in high school. I was like, bro, I was probably like, because I don't remember I was like old high school. I just remember I was young playing this shit. Then don't say 2012. Didn't have service in the hospital. Man, I'm mad. Something crazy. I was up like 2000 and got busy and then. And that's how I fell. Yeah. Yeah, he talking about I was mad as hell. Yeah, which only way I like stocks, I ain't gonna lie, because there's so much opportunity. Like you can trade Forex, but it's like I really don't want to. Like, let me see. Like you can trade Forex, like I'm trying to see. Boom, boom. Like this is good, boss. Like long term. I just be thinking, well, you get long term, so come here, right here, stop loss on right here. Yeah, this is good shit though. This is where I will buy it though. Like I gotta be realistic. Like shit, I'll buy it. Like boom, probably would have bought right here. Not on cap. Probably would have bought right here. Like once it did this shit, I probably would have lost though, because I would have made my stop loss right here, and then I would have just had made my TP. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have made my TP like right here, something like right there. Yeah, I would have hit stop loss, but I would have took partials though somewhere. Like I don't know where. I'm trying to think. Oh, I would have took partials right here. I'm tripping. I took partials right here and just let that shit run to here. Yeah, I don't know about Forex, man. I just like GJ. I ain't gonna train. I'm gonna just stick to fucking Nas, gold, US30, Ethereum. That's it. Bro, I had an SOS today too for some reason. I had an SOS for like 20 minutes, bro. I don't know why. I don't know. I was in my trades though, but you said Ethereum. I marked this shit up though. I've been saying something about Ethereum. I said, look, I said this like July. Yeah, I said this in like July. I said if it come past here, it's gonna fly up. I'd have took 80% profits and just let it just rock. Like I would have entered here. Loki, I probably would have entered like right here. Like right here. Let it rock. Like me. Just knowing me. Or just looking at the highs. Let it here. Would have took partials here. Made stop loss like right here. And then I would have just let it rock to wherever it want to go. Like me, at most, I'm holding to here. That's it though. I swear to God, I wouldn't like if I was just trading this shit. I don't even trade crypto, so I probably would have been holding to here. Like, bro, I still got Doge. I'm just waiting for Doge. Solana going crazy for me too right now though. I didn't look at, bro. I swear I ain't look at my crypto account in like 2 months. I ain't look at my crypto in 2 months. I don't want to look at it. I just want when I just know crypto hit a point where that shit just skyrocket, I'm gonna look at that shit, bro. I don't be feeding off that junk, man. I don't know. I ain't got that much money in there. I probably got like I know I got 1,000 Doge, 500 Solana. I got some other shit. No, I got 1,000 Solana too, and 1,000 in Doge. Like 1,500 Doge, like 1,000 Doge, 1,500. I don't even remember. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the crypto I just buy and fucking forget about it. I want to do that with stocks too, though. Stocks, I could have, bro, man. Stocks, man. My man made me look at this. I ain't never stopped looking, bro. I ain't never stopped looking at AutoZone. I said, what the fuck? Look, bro, look at this. This shit just it don't stop, bro. The shit don't stop, man. The shit just keep going up. Yeah, shout out to the 4 people. I ain't gonna lie, I had someone up here before you. The nigga was chopping it up with me. I thought it was your ass. I was like, man, he came a little early. It was some random dude. We talking about the Nas shit. But nah, once I pass, I ain't gonna make a video when I pass. I'm gonna make a video when I get a withdrawal. I ain't gonna make no video passing. I already passed what 2 prop firms. I think what FTMO, my Forex funds, and that was a long time ago. That's crazy. Yeah, AutoZone is crazy, bro. AutoZone crazy. But then this, I don't feel like I need that much pairs to trade, but sometimes I be wanting more pairs to trade. Cause let me see. Cause gold, I ain't gonna lie. I know gold is up, but I'd be scared to. It's like it ain't. It's just you gotta scout this shit. Like this, I probably would have just held here, took profits, hit made. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I probably took whole thing here. Knowing me, I would have took the whole thing. Cause I'm like, I ain't gonna take no risk. Well, let me see. If it rains for a couple of days, like 7 days, like if it just go like boom, 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 I like that too. Cause it's telling me, okay, it's tired of going up, but I still want to go up. Cause if it want to drop, I be thinking, like when it goes up, I noticed this about the market. Yeah, facts. That's what I'm gonna do. So when it goes up, it usually go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Like it range and it still go up. If it wanted to drop, I think the shit would just drop. That's all I be thinking. I'm like, it's at all-time highs. They don't got no choice to drop. But I think if it ranges, I don't think the shit want to drop. I think it want to keep going up. But that's what I think it's gonna do. I think gold about to stop. It can still go up though. Like it can range for a little, like range for like a week or two after all this news. But it is news next week, like you said. So gold could, yeah, gold could hit 4,000. Yeah, gold could just hit 4,000 real quick. Maybe we could just keep going up. Like when they go, like right here. But this range was crazier than this one. This range was crazy. Like this shit was for like years. So I knew this shit is gonna break out the basket and go up. Yeah, this one went crazy. The thing is, I knew gold. I swear, I keep saying this. I knew gold was going to break hard, bro. I knew it. I just wanted a better entry. Like I swear to God, I knew gold. I was like, bro, I entered right here. I didn't like this entry. I entered because I'm like, I entered off some like if gold take off, I still got a little, and I lowered the risk. I'm like, if gold take off, I could get a little something before it went back down. It shit hit easily. I took profits like right here. I was like, let's come back down a little bit. Like I probably like even right here, I probably would have entered like somewhere like right here. I would have entered like right here. Closed out at break even as soon as it went here, and I probably just held that bitch till I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have just held the top pass because looking at the daily once it broke out of this, I knew it was going to just go flying. Just like GJ, I'm waiting on GJ. Once it break out of this, I know it's just gonna go flying. But yeah, man, let me get up out of here. Wednesday. I should go live on Wednesday. I might be. How much? You know what? I'm gonna let you know. I'll hit you in the morning. If I'm up, I'll probably go live in the morning. I ain't really doing shit. But yeah, I'm gonna hit you. If I Google live, I'm gonna hit you, man. Let me get up out of here.